another week, another Nike Supreme collaboration. This is week 3, releasing March 11th at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can calculate what that will be for you. And like I said, this week is, of course, highlighted by the Nike apparel that they've done for this small Supreme collaboration collection. So we're going to be going through the drop list. This is just a partial one, I think. I'm not sure if this is the complete one, but to start things off, we have the Supreme Mophie Power Station Plus XL. They do a lot of Mophie accessories. This one is just, it's kind of cool. It's a cool power station, but it's just a classic Supreme accessory, It's the accessory, and it's got a fat box logo on it. So it is what it is. Moving forward, we get into the highest upvoted piece of the Nike collaboration. This is the hooded, or the half-zip hooded sweatshirt. And they're big, 90s aesthetic vibes coming off of this collaboration. Personally, I think it's a little too subtle, maybe, or almost has the look of like a bootleg that you'd see from Nike back in the 90s. And some people like that, but the prices on these are so high that it's just, all you're getting is this little bit of Supreme branding. So I don't know, to me it's just not really worth it. I'm also just not really feeling this blank or this silhouette at all. It's kind of hard to tell what the fill on the Nike logo is as well. I'm not sure if that's 3M. I know some of the other pieces in this collection are 3M. Let's see, do they have a one with a light shown on it? I'm not sure. Anyway, I wouldn't rate that the highest out of the collaboration. We also have these reversible puffy jackets. You guys know that I'm not the biggest fan of puffers, but I do at least respect that it's reversible. You get that 2-in-1. So on one side you have this all over print Nike pattern. You got the Nike spell out and then the swoosh, and then on the neck on the inside, which of course we said this is reversible, we have that Supreme spell out going across the neck. So not bad colorways. I don't know if I'm the biggest fan of this yellow colorway for any of the pieces dropping, but can't really complain about the other 3 colorways. They're just pretty basic. Moving on to right here, we got a closer look at the jacket. On the back, actually, all right, so this is what the fill is. We got a zoomed in view right here, which appears to be like a snakeskin, and they've done, I don't know if they've done Nike snakeskin stuff. This reminds me of the snakeskin Coach jackets that they did with the North Face not too long ago. So they're all right. I don't know, I'd pass on these puffers. We also have these beanies dropping, the snakeskin beanie. So it looks like it is snakeskin, and once again, the colors aren't bad. It's just a really basic piece. I've never been really into the snakeskin or really any of the alligator skin or anything like that, those fills. So it's an easy pass for me. We also have the sweats dropping, which are once again just very basic. You got some sweats, a little side zipper on the side, not bad. We also have the shine hooded sweatshirt, which I'm not sure what this is a play on for the logo. It looks very familiar. If you guys know, you can drop it down. Probably some automotive thing. It says maximum strength, makes everything shine. I'm not sure, but it looks very familiar. Just can't place my tongue on what it is copying. Moving forward, we have the neck warmers, the Supreme Nike neck warmers. Kind of cool. I believe these are the ones that are 3M too. Let's see, I guess they only show that one picture, but there were lookbook pictures taken for this collection, and I want to say for the lookbook pictures, they had one where you could see the 3M nature of it. So I think these are 3M. I've never really, as far as neck warmers and face masks and stuff go, I've never really been into the neck gaiters unless you're going snowboarding or something. So there are a lot better face covering accessories that I would prefer to have seen. We also have the Supreme Nike velour track jacket, looking like a mafiosa. Black on black is interesting. I didn't see the detailing super up close. You have all these little Nike swooshes in circles and then Supreme down the side. The black one's actually kind of cool. I wouldn't wear this, but I can respect that colorway. As far as the other colorways though, I don't really like any of them, especially this brown one. I'm not feeling that at all. We have another set of beanies dropping, which I actually like these ones more. It's the Jacquard logo beanie. That being said, I'm still like, I wouldn't buy these, but I prefer this to the snakeskin one. We also have the Nike snakeskin belt. It just looks like a pretty basic belt, and then it's got Nike Supreme. I don't know if I care for the Supreme font that they've been using either, but we're also, of course, getting the bottoms for the tops. Once again, black ones. Really the only one I'm kind of feeling out of that. Then we have the Terry corduroy crusher, which is just this like bucket and has some super thick corduroy, looking very nice. Got some interesting colorways. This light purple, like lavender, is pretty cool. Yeah, so it's a good piece. And then we have the cut logo. Just has Supreme, or it has Supreme, and then Eam. I don't know. That's a pass for me. The spray canvas camp cap. I wish the wash was maybe a little bit more consistent throughout these. Purple one kind of looks like it has a wash that continues or makes sense with the cut up of the panels, but we look at the blue one, it's just all over the place. Same with the red. I don't know if I like the nature of that. We also have the digital flag sweater. I remember these from the lookbook, and this green one is absolutely ridiculous, but interesting pieces. We of course have the red, white, and blue one as well. I don't know, man. 4th of July is coming up. You can wear this for that one day. Moving forward, we have maybe the last Nike collaboration piece that they're doing, and these are probably actually my favorite. I like this like salmon colorway that they got going on here. But once again, to reiterate on, just these are going to be expensive, and for what you're like paying for, it just isn't really worth it in my opinion. All you have is this swoosh and then the Supreme spell on the top, and a shirt like this you can find at the thrift store so easily and for way cheaper. So next up, we have the halftone long sleeve top. It'll be pretty pricey since it's one of those cotton jerseys. This black colorway ain't that bad though. I'm a fan of these like all over prints, but I wouldn't buy it. But the colorway itself, I like the colors that they paired together for that darker colorway. Then we also have the faded ripstop 6 panel. I don't like this. This is a skip. And then we have the logo camo M65 jacket, which this blue, we have this like iMessage colorway going on in the center. Let me zoom in so you guys can see. It's literally just millions of box logos just making up the digi camo. This is bad. I don't like this, but this one really does give me like some iMessage vibes, and I do not like these. These don't need to exist. But yeah, that wraps up this week's drop list, or possibly partial drop list. Going over it, there's actually a lot of stuff here. So yeah, this could be the entire drop list. Personally, all skips for me. Some alright Nike accessories, but not worth it for the collaboration prices. So anyway, let me know what you guys think of the collaboration. Are you excited for anything? Are you looking forward to any of these Nike pieces, or is your grail from the lookbook dropping, or your grail from the range dropping? As always, thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.